Alrighty, Ryan's baseball cards. Ryan has 48 baseball cards. He gives some of them away to his friends. Help Ryan figure out how many cards each of his friends will get. Show your work. If Ryan gives 1/4 of his 48 cards to Anna, how many cards does he give to Anna? So 1/4, does that show up? Okay. 48 is the same thing as saying 48. 1/4 of 48 or times 48, which there's a relationship between 4 and 48. I know that 4 times 12 is 48, so 1/4 of 48 is 12. 12 cards. If Ryan gives 3/8 of his 48 cards to Josiah, how many cards does he give to Josiah? Well, 3/8 of 48 equals 1/8 of 48 times 3. Right? Because 3/8 is made up of 3 1/8. 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8, that's 3/8. So then we can figure out 1/8 of 48 and then multiply by 3. 1/8 of 48 is 6 times 3 equals 18 cards. If Ryan gives 2/6 of his 48 cards to Max, how many cards does he give Max? So let's see. 2/6 is also 1/3 times 48. That's going to be different. Well, I can think of thirds. Like, I guess I could have kept it at sixths because that's 8 again. I don't know, but can I think of thirds? 8 plus 4 is 12. 15 is 45. So 16 cards. If I wanted to really show that, I guess I could do this. 48 divided by 3. And like I said, 15 is 45. I have 3 left over, so that's 1 more. Gets me the 0, and then that's 16 cards. How many cards does Ryan have left? What fraction of his original cards is that? Ooh, good one. So we have 12 plus 18 plus 16 equals 2 plus 8 is 10 plus 6 is 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 46. Whoa! He has 2 cards left. So that is 2 over 48, which we can also say is 1/24 of his original cards. All right, number 2. Hold on, I gotta move this down a little bit. Solve the problem. Ooh, nice. This is good. This is called interleaving practice. This is excellent practice because we're going back and forth between addition, multiplication, subtraction. Good. This is good. This is good for your brain. So let's get going. 2/3 plus 5/6. Well, I know I can change that to 4/6 plus 5/6, which is 9/6. 1 1/3 minus 7/8. Okay, well, since this is 1/3, it's going to be hard to take that 7/8 away. It's going to be complicated. So I'm going to change this to an improper fraction, which is going to be 4/3. And so this is 4/3 minus 7/8. I also now need to convert my denominators to common denominators. So if I have 3 and 8, I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Looks like it's going to be 24 because that's 8 times 3. So it looks like we're going to be 24. We get that by multiplying by 3, so that's 21/24. We get that by multiplying by 8, so that's 32/24. And we go 32 minus 21 is equal to 11/24. And again, we know we got the common denominator, the lowest one, because we don't have to simplify anything. Or we can't simplify anything. This is in simplest terms. All right, 1 4/5 plus 1 3/10. So I can change 4/5 to tenths pretty simply. So that's 1 8/10 plus 1 3/10. Now that's going to give me 1 11/10. And remember, we're mathematicians. We would never write that. So we're going to take that 10 out of 10 out of there, that one whole, and we're going to change this to 2 1/10. Let's see, 16 times 7/8. Okay. Hey, 1/8 of 16 times 7. 1/8 of 16 is 2, times 7 is 14. Fun. 4/5 of 24. 5 and 24. 5 and 25. Do I want to do that? Do I want to go over and back? All right. So we have 1/5 of 20. Let's do 4/5. I think it's going to get too complicated. 4/5 is 20. And then plus 4/5 of 4. All right. So we're going to try that. All right, so that's 1/5 is 4. 4/5 is 16. Plus, then 4/5 times 4 is 16/5, which is 3 1/5. It's going to give us 19 1/5. 27 times 4/9. Ooh. 9 goes into 27. So 4. So I can just think that through. 1/9 is 3. And then, here, sorry. Let's write that out. So 1/9 times 27 times 4. So 1/9 of 27 is 3 times 4 is 12. All right, now we're subtracting. My brain is, it's Thursday afternoon. My brain is that's when I'm at my tiredest, I think, tiredest. All right, so we have 8 5/5. We need to convert those to something common. It's going to be 40. I don't know. I always like to count with the 5. Let's see, 5, 10, nope, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It's going to be 40. All right. So this is going to be 40ths, which means 5 40ths, and this is going to be 40ths, which means 24 40ths. Oh, let's make these. Oh man, this is some work to have me do bridges. All right, so 15. Well, here, no, let me make my life easier. So if I'm at 16 5 40ths, and I take away, oh man, I went the wrong way. If I'm at 16 5 40ths, and I go back minus 5 40ths, I get to 16. Okay, now I need to get, how much did I take away there? I took away, and now I need 19 40ths more. So if I go 19 40ths, that's going to be, so I would, good Lord, sorry. All right, so I'm at 19 40ths. So I have 21 40ths left, and I'm at 15. So that I would have 15 and 21 40ths. I don't think I did a great job explaining that. I'm going to think about this one. I'll probably do a different video on that one. So there's more colors and stuff. This one was pretty, yeah. All right. 208 4/7 plus 201 3/4. Let's see. 4 can be 8ths. Nope. 12ths. Nope. 16ths. Nope. 20. Nope. 24. 28. So it's going to have to be 28ths. So we have times 4, 16 28ths and 21 28ths. All right, so that's going to be 37 28ths, which is equal to 1 whole and what? 37 minus 28 is 9. 9 28ths. So I have to add that to my 208 plus 201. So 208 plus 201 is 409, plus 1 is 410. 410, yeah, and 9 28ths. Ooh, and lasty. Oh boy. 20 1/6 minus 15 3/5. It's probably going to be 30ths, right? Did we have 5 and 6 before? No, I don't think so, but all right, here we go. So we have, I'm going to have to go, okay, this is my chance to shine. I'm going to try and do this again. So I am going to use a number line for this subtraction. So I have 6 and 5ths, which means I'm probably going to take this to 30ths. I multiplied by 5 here, so this is 5/10ths, or sorry, 5/30ths. I multiplied by 6 here, so 18/30ths. Okay. So if I start here at 20 and 5/30ths, okay, I'm going to remove 18/30ths. And when I remove 18,